Hey, it's Nate here again from Power Pro Equipment in New Holland. It's getting towards the end of summer. Next season is fall. Fall brings leaves. Today we're going to do a little experiment here. We got different kinds of leaf blowers. We got an electric leaf blower, we got a gas backpack leaf blower, and we got a Ventrac 4200 here with a turbine blower. What else did we bring? 13-pound bowling ball. Can anything actually blow this thing around?
At Power Pro, we have the power you need.
So before we get started in this experiment, we're just going to go over real quickly what we have here that we are going to be blowing with. We have a Husqvarna 580 BTS that we're going to try. We have a Crest brushless commercial backpack blower. They are actually pretty impressive for being electric. Then we also have an oldie but a goodie, a Ventrac 4200 with the turbo diesel hooked onto one of the old Buffalo turbine blowers. First, let's try the old Husqvarna. So, we got the old Husqvarna here, 13-pound bowling ball. Will it move? Full throttle. Up, up. Go home, Timmy. Go home. Hey! So, as we just found out, it does move it a little bit. It didn't move it much. We never tried this on any of them, so that might be the most that the bowling ball moves. You're just gonna have to keep watching to find out. Next, let's try this Crest. Just kidding, it's electric. Now these things that we've heard from a lot of our commercial customers is that they are actually fairly impressed with it. So let's see how it goes against this 13-pound bowling ball. That was actually pretty impressive. So clearly right now between the Husqvarna and the Crest here, the Crest is in the lead. Husqvarna is in second, but next up is the Ventrac, and we're going to see what that has to offer. So now we're on to the Ventrac 4200 turbo diesel. It does have the older Buffalo blower turbine on it. The newer ones are made by Ventrac themselves with parts that are serviceable, but they're a little more powerful than this one. So if this one can do it, the new one surely can. It's been a while since I drove one of these old ones. Kind of miss it. We're gonna gauge the PTO. Turn the blower on and just drive into it to see what happens. Now that's impressive. That's a good 10, 15. That's impressive. Let me turn the PTO and shut the old trusty Rusty down here to talk about it a little bit. So clearly, the Ventrac is the winner. I mean, in all honesty, the Husqvarna is a little more residential. The Crest is labeled as commercial. This is commercial, 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 and then with some more commercial. So if you have any of those HOAs, you have acreage on your land, you're looking to get the most out of your time and not spend it cleaning up leaves, you want to spend it watching football, grilling some wings. I mean, I didn't get that from blowing leaves, so this one right here would be the ticket. So if you're looking for any of these products to help you with your property in the fall, cleaning up leaves, blowing and dusting of snow away, please reach out to one of our 9 locations, as we'll be able to help you and let you pick which piece of equipment will help you the best.
Power Pro, the power you need.